What's up? Welcome back to the channel. It's your girl, Marijiah.
It's your girl, Talyn.
And we back with another video. What's up, y'all? We at the nail salon.
What color for the hair? Okay, not the same.
She begged to come with me, so this is what we have going on.
Black.
Look at these colors. What's up? Welcome back to the channel. It's your girl, Marijiah.
It's Talyn.
And we back with another video. It's your girl, Marijiah.
It's your Talyn.
All right, y'all. So today is the day with Talyn. I went to the nail salon, got my nails done. She got her nails painted. We're eating Sonic right now. We're about to go look at some clothes, and I don't know what else, but stay tuned. It's just me and her today.
My mama is going somewhere, so I see you.
I don't know where she went.
And then I'm going to my grandma's house.
Oh, are you? You going to my house? Oh, we talked about that? We did? I didn't know we talked about that, Talyn.
Me, you, and Anthony are there.
Oh, okay, girl. It's your girl, Marijiah.
It's your girl, Talyn.
And we back with another
Channel!
Channel. We back with another video. We back with another video. Back to the channel. It's your girl, Marijiah.
It's your girl, Talyn.
And we back with another video. It's your girl, Marijiah.
It's your girl, Talyn.
And we back with another video. I cannot, y'all. Please look at him. What in the name? What are you doing? Please look at him. Don't drop the iPad. Oh, she said look at him. Okay, you should stop.
He looks like his son.
What's up? Welcome back to the channel. It's your girl, Marijiah.
It's your girl, Talyn.
And we back with another video.